Hi, so welcome to DCA. As we announced the 70 days online coaching program for the upcoming NDA exam, that is NDA 2 2020, we had shared the brochure, that is information booklet, in which we has divided the syllabus according to the plan, which many of you have received. जिन्होंने हमें message किया, we have shared with them, right? And the tentative fees was discussed in that. Tentative math syllabus, English syllabus, everything was finally discussed in that. I hope you have received the PDF. If not, you can WhatsApp at 771054890. Now, the next thing, the big thing which you might be interested to listen, and उसके लिए आपको पूरा देखना पड़ेगा. This will be around 5 to 6 minutes of session. जो आप पूरा देखें 5-6 मिनट में, it is going to be beneficial for you. So for the last 2 days, as we announced, so there were some phone calls. कुछ बच्चों के कॉल आए थे of course from the students as well as parents from Noida, Jaipur and Dehradun as well, right? So there were some concern call, right? Some of the students were from the economically weaker section, right? So they were maybe from this government school or मतलब financial शायद उनके ठीक नहीं है, but they are really aspiring to join the defense forces in this through this coveted exam. So they are NDA aspirants. So I am talking about those who are NDA aspirants, good NDA aspirants, but not economically sound. Some of them were the ex-student of other academies. I mean, they might have enrolled themselves. They have undergone 3 months of training, maybe 2 months of training. So some of them, majority were from Dehradun, right? Some of them from Allahabad, right? एक दो नोएडा से भी थे. I don't know नोएडा वाले कौन से academy के थे. Anyone. So there were some students from ex-student. Third, जैसे कि जो बच्चे NDA 2021 में, those who are going to pass out 12th in 2021 will be appearing for NDA 2 2020 as well, right? So some were first timers who were the students of Sainik or military school, right? The fourth, those who missed by some marks. These are the 4 category of students apart from the regular जो inquiries करते हैं. The fourth category was those who earlier qualified written maybe, but finally they were out of the list SSB. Right, and they wanted to prepare again, or they got around 320 or maybe 340s. One student was 341 as per he said, but official marks is not here, right? तो वो बच्चे भी थे जिनके थोड़े से रह गए, but they want to prepare. But the big issue was the fee. The biggest concern was the fee structure, right? Which we have around 12.8k, right? For the 70, I think that is quite normal because we have to pay to the good faculties as well, right? Every faculty takes a huge amount of मतलब what is the genuine amount for the work he does behind the scene, because ये sector बहुत ज़्यादा exposed नहीं है, इसलिए अभी बहुत लोगों को बच्चों को उतना idea नहीं होता. Now I have an announcement for you. Those who are concerned about fee and you are genuinely an aspirant and you are genuinely a good aspirant, you have good knowledge, you can do wonder. It's time to prove. It's time to prove. So DCA is here to offer you a 70 days challenge, right? It's time to prove yourself and we will offer you up to 100% scholarship, up to 100% free online course for homes. Of course, there will be some criteria. And what is the only criteria left to us? How can we decide? I'm not going to believe in your board marks. I'm not going to believe in your school marks. I'm not going to believe in your class 10th marks, because marks in the board exam doesn't measure the talent, right? So what is the option left to us? So हमने क्या सोचा कि we will be conducting a test, scholarship test for our batch, which is Pratham Pad for the 70 days, right? So test will be 90 minutes, of course an online format. आप phone पे दें, laptop पे दे सकते हैं, right? And the complete maths plus GAT. Of course, it will not be 120 questions of math. We will share you the question booklet, kind of what will be the number of maths question. So 90 minutes is more or less 30 questions of mathematics and 60 questions of GAT, somewhat like that. Now, what about when the test will be conducted? Test will be conducted on 12th of June. So 12 June, आज से 3-4 दिन बाद, ठीक है? कितने मिनट का टेस्ट होगा? 90 minutes का. Now, कब होएगा? Now, since it is online, दिन हमारा, समय तुम्हारा. We have decided the day, you decide your time. You have your 90 minutes. On 12th of June, you can choose your 90 minutes within this 8-hour window. Let's suppose it is from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock in the night, right? आप 9 बजे रात तक दे, that is not a concern. We'll give you a window, but आप test एक बार दे पाएंगे. Only one attempt for the test. 1.5 hour. If time exceeds, automatically it will be submitted, right? दिन हमारा, समय तुम्हारा, सवाल हमारे, जवाब तुम्हारे. That's the challenge. तब आएगा ना कि हाँ आपने कितना पढ़ा है. What is your knowledge? It's time to prove. It's time to prove your worth. Whether you are really a defense aspirant, whether you are really going to crack the ND exam, right? And of course, you can feel what is the difference, what is the quality of questions, what is the kind of questions, what is the thought process of the faculty in DC. So what are the criteria? Okay, you appear, let's suppose you appear for the test on 12th June and your score, let us suppose sample, let's suppose it's of 300 marks. I'm saying just for example. So whatever is the score, if your score is greater than 80%, if your score is more than 80% in the test, we will give you 100% free course. This complete course, online test, current affairs, booklets, everything free if it is 80% score above. If the, let's suppose कि 300 mark, that means 240 या 240 से ज़्यादा है आपके, you will get the 100% free online course, right? Because you will be the deserving one, right? आप अच्छे बच्चे होंगे, बहुत अच्छे होंगे, right? And we'll be happy to have you. We'll be privileged to have you. ऐसे aspirants अगर हमारे पास आए तो हम उनको 100 तक पहुंचा देंगे, right? 70% if your score is 70% plus, 75% course free, right? Only 25% आपको फीस देनी होगी. 60% marks, more than 60% marks, you will get 50% scholarship. That means you have to pay only 50% fee. 50% score, again 40% scholarship, 40% plus score, right? 40% और 40 से 50 के बीच में तो 25%, 30 से 40 के बीच में तो 10%, right? इससे कम नहीं हो सकता because I believe कि इतना मार्क्स तो कोई भी ले आए, right? So because minimum criteria तो आपको 40 लेके चलना पड़ता है, but we have kept one कि those who are scoring 30%, even 30% will give 10% discount. At least he tried and he tried to prove that he is a genuine student. That's it, right? Now, how to appear for the test? How to appear? We have 3 days left, right? So you are going to appear for the test. You are going to prove your worth. You want to join the course, but fee is stopping you. Then this is the chance. How to appear? Right? Of course, you need to appear with a valid ID card online. आप घर से टेस्ट देंगे, but you have to submit. Valid ID card का मतलब हमें पता लगना चाहिए ना कि आप स्टूडेंट हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई XYZ दे रहे हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. कहने का मतलब आपके स्कूल का ID कार्ड, कुछ भी, anything, जिसपे पिक्चर लगी हो. I need any ID proof picture with your email and WhatsApp number, right? So that we can have a record. हम आपको फिर भेज सके कि आपके, and जैसे ही आप टेस्ट सबमिट करोगे आपका स्कोर आ जाएगा. So there is no cheating. As you submit the test, result will be displayed and we will show you. जो आपको दिखेगा वही हमें दिखेगा. ठीक है? Register with the, how to register? You need to register with your name, location, school और college. अगर आप किसी स्कूल से पास आउट है, मान लो सैनिक मिलिट्री वाले हैं या कोई सा भी है, सैनिक स्कूल और कॉलेज, एनीथिंग, आर्मी स्कूल, लेट्स सपोज कि देहरादून के किसी स्कूल से हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश के किसी स्कूल से हैं, बिहार के किसी स्कूल से, पटना के डॉन बॉस्को से, एनीवन, राइट? एंड ये आपको इतनी 3 चीजें आपको नाम इसके साथ भेजना पड़ेगा एट आवर ऑफिशियल नंबर 7710548960. नाउ दिस इज द टाइम वेयर यू कैन प्रूव, राइट? एंड इन फैक्ट even if you are not interested in the course, you are sufficient enough, that's good. Self study is the best, but try to check your performance, try to measure your performance कि आप कहाँ stand करते हैं. Let's have a cakewalk with DCA, let's have a tea with DCA. We are offering you to appear for this test on 12th June, which is approximately 70-75 days before the actual exam you are going to write off. Hope this can resolve your query. जिन बच्चों की फी से रिलेटेड समस्या थी उनके लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, आप चेक कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज हम फी, अगर मान लो कुछ बच्चे इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन सबको फ्री नहीं कर सकते, इट्स बिकम डिफिकल्ट. हमारे बैच में मुश्किल से 25 बच्चे, वी हैव टू कीप 25-26, इससे ज्यादा नहीं रख सकते. बिकॉज 1-to-1 इंटरेक्शन करना है, 1-to-1 परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस करनी है, विच विल बिकम डिफिकल्ट, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू कीप द फी. बट उन बच्चों के लिए जिनकी थोड़ी समस्याएं हैं, दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी. डू अपीयर फॉर द टेस्ट. आप अपना परफॉर्मेंस भी चेक करेंगे, आप अपना स्टैंड भी चेक करेंगे, एंड यू विल ट्राई टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. दैट इज व्हाट आई विल प्रॉमिस ऑन द कैमरा. थैंक यू. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द टेस्ट. डू रजिस्टर फॉर द टेस्ट.